Hello, we're the C4 Bombs. We're working with Red Cross to help them with a problem that they're having. Our team members are Dylan, Jim, Troy, Hyung, and I'm Bogdan. Red Cross is a national organization, worldwide organization. They have two divisions, blood services and disaster relief. We're working with blood services. We're hoping to help them solve a problem where promotional items are getting left behind at the Hillary Distribution Center, and account managers have to drive back there at least once a week to pick those items up.
Because of the change of our problem statement, we've had to change our metrics to more accurately suit our new problem statement. We ended up dropping one metric, which was the number of t-shirts given out to each drive, because we found that it wasn't applicable to our problem. Looking at our value stream map, it's basically broken up into three different parts. The first, we just call it Part 1, and basically deals with corporate up at Red Cross headquarters, ordering the t-shirts and getting them to the physical distribution location. The second part is our main focus. Each of the 4 process boxes is listed right here. So that's loading the computer cart, loading the accessory box, getting and loading the truck, as well as verifying the inventory that's placed on the truck. This leads to problems that occur. So every time there's a promotional item left at the distribution center, it usually occurs in these 4 process boxes of the value stream. The third part of our value stream map encompasses the physical blood drive location. At this point, the problem of forgetting promotional items becomes apparent. This section has its own problems associated with distributing the promotional items to people who donate blood, but that's outside the scope of our project, as the problem we're focusing on is forgetting the promotional items at the distribution center.
My name's Jim, and I'm going to talk to you right now about the spaghetti diagram. First thing is we did not do the spaghetti diagram on our first project review, and we apologize for that, so we thought that we would review it for you on this one. So the first thing I want to point out is that this is the process box focus on the value stream map. The magenta is the loading of the PC cart, the green is the loading of the accessory box, and the blue is to get and load the truck. They're also numbered in a sequence that represents the process map. So the standardized work chart, we have it sequenced in the same number as the spaghetti diagram. We measured our manual time and the walking time. We were not able to get to the distance. We are going to do that on Friday when we meet with the Red Cross again. Also, this Friday we will be taking visuals with the Red Cross. So for the cause and effect diagram, we're trying to figure out the core problem, and the core problem is we have way too many items left at the warehouse. So our goal is to find the root cause, and some of the problems are that the loader did not see the times in the cart. Another problem we have is there's lack of ownership and there's too many last minute changes. But the 2 major problems that we think are the root cause would be lack of standardization and a lack of communication.
So there's an issue with the lack of communication between the account management team and the operational management team. The operational management team are the ones who put together the trucks for the blood drive, and the account management team is behind all the scheduling. So when there are last minute changes in the blood drive, time changes, location changes, goal changes due to inclement weather, due to a location issue, those aren't accurately communicated to the operation management team. So they are not able to communicate that to the people loading the trucks, who then have issues getting all the materials together, getting the correct number of promotional items, and making sure that all those items get on the truck.
The next step for our project will be to create a video at our physical site for our next project review, fill in the missing information we had from our standardized work chart, as well as finalize the recommendations we hope to implement into the process so we can create an accurate operations work standard.